Hey guys, here are the 3 Android settings that you should not miss. If you can't find messages and there are only OTPs in your message box, let me help you sort this out. All Android phones come with Google Messages. All you have to do is go to Messages, Message Settings, Message Organization and toggle the switch of Auto Delete OTP after 24 hours and now you're good to go. Now we all use Google to save passwords on our phone, but if someone gets your phone by any chance in unlocked mode, he can use it for any purpose. So what you have to do here is go to Settings, Autofill Service, Preferences and enable Authenticate with Biometrics before filling payment cards as well as Authenticate with Biometrics every time you enter. If you receive notification from one person on any app, what you can do is that you can long press the notification and set it as priority. Now you'll get the profile picture of this special person at the top and it will be easy to identify. You can also set different ringtone for this special notification. And yes, with that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.